Let's take an important theorem. Prove that the lengths of the two tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Solution will take given. First we will draw the figure. Given a circle with center O, PA and PB are the two tangents drawn to the circle from a point P outside the circle. Outside the circle. To prove PA equals PB. This is a circle given to us with center O, and P is a point outside the circle. From this point, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle, and we have to prove that PA equals PB. Construction. Draw OA and OB. So we will draw OA and OB. We draw these two. Now we take proof. Proof. OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. At the point of contact. Consider triangles. Consider triangles OAP and OBP. Angle OAP equals angle OBP, 90 degree each, from 1. OA is perpendicular to PA, OB is perpendicular to PB, so from 1 angle OAP equals angle OBP, 90 degree each. OP equals OP, common, and OA equals OB, radii of the same circle. So triangle is right angled, OP is hypotenuse, and OA is one side. Therefore, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP, RHS. right hypotenuse side. This implies AP equals BP, CP, CT, which proves our theorem.